Have you tried tomela mumu tadi before? Oh yes, I know you have. It is popularly known as Fante in the central part of Ghana. And the airways also enjoy this because we have all kinds of fishes. And that is what is on our bill of fare today. Hello, nice to meet you. This is Adram and welcome to my space. So without wasting much of your time, I have cleaned and washed my tomela very well. We are using herrings or amane. I season this with natural spice and herbs. Now I'll go ahead and add my marinade, and that is pepper, ginger, garlic, and spring onions or scallions. Now I will add my fish seasoning and make sure this marinates very well. But I will place it in my fridge, then use it the next day. I couldn't use it the next day, so 2 days later, let's prepare our stew. I have my dzomi on fire. I've added my chopped onions. So it is called dzomi because the meat you hear at the end is ami, which is oil, and the jo means fire. When preparing dzomi, we prepare it on fire. So it just so engo, which is dzomi, not zomi. Okay, I've added my tomato sauce. I will stir it very well. The tomato sauce is pepper, ginger, garlic, onion, herbs, and spice. I have the recipe here. Please check it out for me. It is very helpful. I'll go ahead and add my fish to the stew after some few minutes. Immediately you see some oil on top of your stew, it means you can go ahead and add your protein. Now, I am not going to stir it, okay? But I will just cover it and then wait for a while. Then we proceed. Are you still with me? Have you subscribed on YouTube at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipe? If no, please do it for me. It is actually free. If yes, thank you so much for doing it. Please do the same thing on Facebook. Follow me there and it is free. Do not forget to like the page for me. I've added everything and now I'll give it a stir and then cover it for some few minutes. After some few minutes, that was about 10 minutes on a very low heat. This is how it looks. I'll go ahead and give it a gentle stir. Thank you so much for your time. I know you will ask that I did not add any seasoning to my stew. It's because I added enough to the fish. So that is okay. Okay, I did not add any salt or any seasoning to the stew again. Now our stew is ready, and just look at that. We paired this with some watermelon, and oh my goodness, it was just like the very first day I met my husband. It was so sweet. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. I love you. Don't forget to follow and subscribe. Bye.